Today in the judge's courtroom, we have a defendant looking for a second chance. Will the judge have mercy on him? If you like this content, please subscribe and leave me a comment. Your feedback is greatly appreciated.
Jeremy Thomas, violation of community control, violation. Discharge from NeoCap June 23rd. You understand that charge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Watson?
Thank you, Your Honor. May it please the court. It's my understanding that Mr. Thomas will waive his final hearing this morning and enter a plea of guilty to the violation, Your Honor.
All right, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right, what's your plea to that allegation?
Guilty, Your Honor.
All right, I'll accept your guilty plea and find you guilty. Okay, what do you want? What do you want to say?
Your Honor, when I got to NeoCap, I decided that, you know, that place is for changing your thinking, and I really don't have a problem with my thinking unless I'm intoxicated. Alcohol is my problem, and everything else you sentenced me to, I needed. Other than that, I've been incarcerated in the Lake County Jail for 11 months.
How do you know what you need?
Because alcohol has been ruining my life for the longest now, and that's what I have a problem with.
Right. So how'd you get kicked out of NeoCap?
I didn't. I just left on my own, Your Honor.
You left on your own. How did you leave on your own?
I told them that I didn't want to be there any longer, just have probation to come and get me.
What else did you tell him?
That was it. I was respectful.
What else did she tell him, Kim? What else did he tell her?
On the termination sheet, it says that that he wanted to leave that day, or he made vile threats about how he would not hesitate to harm others if he had to stay in the program.
No, you didn't do that?
No, sir.
Why are they lying about you?
I said that I didn't know if I would be able to keep myself from getting into an altercation with somebody. I didn't say I was threatening anybody.
What else you want to say?
That's it, Your Honor.
Mr. Watson?
Thank you, Your Honor. May it please the court, I'll be extremely brief. I know we had discussions outside of court. I also know or learned in those discussions that Mr. Thomas is no longer welcome back at NeoCap. I did express to the court over the past 2.5, 3 months that Mr. Thomas has been back in the county jail. He had expressed to me that he would like an opportunity to try NeoCap again. However, just this morning, when I came in right before Your Honor came in the courtroom, Mr. Thomas had respectfully requested that he would rather just do his time. I know the court still has a lot of discretion with regards to sentencing. I'm going to respectfully ask the court to consider the fact that Mr. Thomas at least recognizes that he's an alcoholic. Whether or not he's done anything or will do anything to address that, I guess remains to be seen. I do hope for the best for Mr. Thomas. I think he can be a productive citizen, but he really needs to focus on himself and what he needs to do to get better. So I respectfully ask the court to consider a minimum sentence in this case. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I've reviewed the pre-sentence report and the evaluation, considered all the provisions in 29, 29, 11, 12, and 13. Obviously, you're no longer amenable to community control. I'm going to sentence you on count 1 to 24 months in prison, count 2, 12 months in prison, count 3, 180 days in the Lake County Jail. Those sentences will be concurrent to one another with credit for 300 days. And the costs are assessed. When you get out, you might be on post-release control for up to 2 years under the parole authority with conditions. If you violate, you could go back to prison for up to 9 months for each violation, up to 1/2 of my sentence. If it's a new felony, you could get an additional consecutive prison sentence for the violation, the maximum of which will be the greater of 12 months of the time left under post-release control. Anything else, Mr. Ross?
Court
Nothing
adjourned.
further, Your Honor.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Your feedback is greatly appreciated.